Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the acknowledgement number you received when submitting the Aadhaar update. Enter it on the official Aadhaar update/check page. This is the single identifier that links your request. Once done, you must verify with the registered mobile OTP so the system confirms you are the requester. Make sure to use the same mobile that was given during the update so the server returns accurate status. This prevents delays or mismatches. Once authenticated, you navigate to the status details screen where the portal shows stepwise progress. You will see timestamps and the current state. This tells you whether verification, demographic update, or biometric processing is pending. If the status shows under process, note that biometric or manual verification may be ongoing. If updated, the change is complete and you can download the e-Aadhaar. Keep a screenshot or note of the status for follow-up. To finish, download the e-Aadhaar when the status reads updated. You'll need OTP again, so have the registered mobile ready. If the request is rejected, the portal explains why. Use that reason to correct documents or details before reapplying, because repeating the same mistake delays approval. If the website shows errors or status stalls for many days, make sure to visit the nearest Aadhaar enrollment/update center with your acknowledgement printout. So
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.